Hello everyone, I'm Commander North Star, and I'm going to be taking you through the solar system phylogenetic tree. Let's go. Here she is. Wow, what a beauty. You can see here after our original species, we evolve into two things, planets and then Pluto. All of these things are called operational taxonomic units, or OTU for short, which are the species of different alleles within a species, hence the evolution of the species over time. Notice that Pluto does not have many descendants, and that is because it is our outgroup. The outgroup is an OTU that is known to have diverged earlier than all the other OTUs, which shows why planets just continue to evolve, but Pluto does not. Because we do have an outgroup present, our phylogenetic tree is rooted since all the other OTUs have a common ancestor, being planets. Looking over the tree again, notice how our distance between OTUs slowly begin to get smaller. This is important in showing how closely they are related, with the shortest lines being the ones that are the closest. Since we have more evolving going on for the planets, let's take a closer look at what is going on. First up, we notice our first two clades present are terrestrial and Jovian. Clades refer to cladogenesis, which is the splitting of one lineage into two. This is not to be confused with anagenesis, which is the evolution of a lineage over time, which would be our whole lineage starting with planets, since it continues to evolve over time. Looking down our terrestrial path, we see that cladiogenesis is occurring again, where one evolves moons and the other evolves into no moons. These are the internal nodes of the tree because they do have child nodes, which we will get into in a little bit. The same thing is occurring with Jovian, except these internal nodes are now gas giants and ice giants. On to the external nodes. Moons evolved into Earth and Mars, which are the external nodes. Meanwhile, no moons evolved into Venus and Mercury. These do not have child nodes and are the last known object to evolve in our phylogenetic tree alongside the other four that evolved from Jovian. As shown here, we see gas giants evolve into Jupiter and Saturn. However, ice giants evolve into Neptune and Uranus, those four being our other external nodes. Now, before we head back home, let's take another overview of the tree. We notice here that there are some common ancestors for our final products. We have the most recent common ancestor to both Earth and Mars being moons. Meanwhile, the most recent common ancestor to all of our 8 products is planets. Well, that's all for this space trip. I'll see you next time. Commander North, out. And here are my resources.